Hello everyone, my name is Ipsa. We are doing physics today. Questions based on motor principle using Fleming's left hand rule. Okay, so we'll take some, these are not called numericals, these are called word problems क्योंकि कुछ कैलकुलेट नहीं करना होता है, बस ऐसे ही आंसर देना होता है. ठीक है, सो लेट्स सी फर्स्ट कि मोटर प्रिंसिपल का क्वेश्चन भी है कि नहीं है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू वेरीफाई कि मोटर प्रिंसिपल है भी कि नहीं है, कुछ और है. ओके, लेट्स सी. अ वायर इज लाइंग इन नॉर्थ साउथ डायरेक्शन as shown in the diagram. So there is a wire or a conductor which is lying in some direction. Okay, now you can also see a battery here. Battery means there will be current. Okay, so there is some current. Now you can also see the magnets are placed next to each other, next to the wire. That means there will be some magnetic field. वहाँ पे आसपास मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होगी. तो उन्होंने हमको क्या दिया हुआ है, एग्जामिनर ने या बुक में हमको क्या मिला हुआ है? वी हैव करंट एंड वी हैव मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ओके, ये कौन से कंडीशन में दिया जाता है एज ए प्रॉब्लम दैट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड भी हो और करंट? ये मोटर प्रिंसिपल में दिया जाता है. व्हेनेवर the input is current and magnetic field, the Fleming's left hand rule or the motor principle is used. Okay, so we are sure, देखो यहाँ पे लिख रखा है input is current and magnetic field and the output will be force. Yeah, this wire will move. Now what have they asked is where it will move, कहाँ shift होगा या कहाँ force लगेगी. Okay, so let's start. How do we start is we write three statements first. Current, magnetic field, the inputs, these are the two inputs, and the force is what we have to find out. Okay, and let's revise. This is east, this is west. North south I told you is in front and south is at our back. I think I told you. So front is north and back is south. These are all geographical directions, geography के हिसाब से. And that's vertical up and this is vertical down. Now, let's draw the diagram or understand the directions here. We are not concerned about the value, only the directions. ये आपको क्या लगता है कैसे ये टेढ़ा सा रखा हुआ है वायर, क्या हो रहा है? It is in north south direction. North south direction मतलब north south. The wire is placed like this. Yes, इसका मतलब भी सिर्फ ड्राइंग में टेढ़ा बनाया है. It is actually not टेढ़ा. So how is it kept is, it's, if this is the table or this is how it is hanging in north south direction, एक end towards north or एक end towards south. So we have placed it. Now there is a battery here. Suppose A and B. Oh, suppose there is a point A and point B. Now the battery is placed here. The current will flow from here and come back here. So if this is my B point and this is my A point, the current is coming from here and entering from here, coming from here and exiting from here. So what you see is a circular current flowing in the wire. Okay, now what is the direction of current? Okay, what is the direction of current is towards, ये क्या direction? It's going from here to here, no? It's going from here to like this. So that direction becomes north. that direction becomes north. So at least we can say that the current is flowing towards north. One thing done. Now this is what? Geographic north. Okay. Now let's talk about magnets. We have to find out about magnetic field. Now which magnetic field? इतने सारे magnet हैं, इतने सारे north south poles हैं. This field between north and south, or that field between north and south. So when we talk about external magnets in motor principle, we are talking about ये वाले दो combination. मतलब जो वायर के एकदम पास होते हैं ना, दो, एक इधर से और एक उधर से, दो पोल्स वायर के एकदम पास होते हैं, उन दो का मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कंसिडर किया जाता है. ये नहीं कि बाकी नहीं है, दे आर ऑल्सो देयर, बट दे आर नॉट इफेक्टिंग द मोशन ऑफ वायर. व्हाट इज इफेक्टिंग द मोशन ऑफ वायर इज ये वाला पास वाला, इसके पास वाला और इसके पास वाला. सो नॉर्थ साउथ. बट व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड? वो तो हमने निकाला नहीं, डायरेक्शन चाहिए ना. डायरेक्शन एज वी नो ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड is magnetic north, hear it carefully, magnetic north to magnetic south. I am not saying geographic. मैं ये वाला नहीं बोल रही हूँ नॉर्थ साउथ, जोग्राफिक वाला नहीं बोल रही हूँ. मैग्नेट का जो नॉर्थ पोल होगा, ये मैग्नेट का नॉर्थ पोल है और ये मैग्नेट का साउथ पोल है. तो the lines of forces or the field will be from magnet का north to magnet का south, which means in magnet का north से magnet की south तक जाएगा. Okay, so we can now tell the direction. At least it is magnetic north to magnetic south. ये तो हमें पता ही है, ये तो हम बिना कुछ करे भी बता सकते थे. But what is the direction of magnetic field now? ईस्ट वेस्ट. वेर इज इट गोइंग? जहाँ गोइंग होता है ना, सिर्फ वही लिखते हैं. यहाँ से शुरू हो रही है एंड गोइंग हियर. दैट मीन्स इट्स गोइंग टूवर्ड्स जोग्राफिक वेस्ट, विच इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. दिस इज नॉट सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. मतलब अल्टीमेटली इन द आंसर द जोग्राफिक डायरेक्शंस आर इम्पॉर्टेंट. Geographic west. So because it is coming here, this arrow is pointing there, which means west. Now देखो कौन कौन सी तीन पेयर ऑफ डायरेक्शंस होती है ना हमें जो यूज़ करनी है, ये तीनों परपेंडिकुलर होती हैं. हमने ईस्ट वेस्ट यूज़ कर लिया यहाँ पे, हमने नॉर्थ साउथ यूज़ कर लिया करंट में. अब क्या बचा? ईस्ट वेस्ट हो गया, नॉर्थ साउथ हो गया. Now we left with only vertical up and down. तीन pairs होते हैं. So east west used, north south used. Only what is left is vertically north and south. तो एक तो आपको ये गेस लगा सकते हो कि जो वायर है, कंडक्टर है, it will move either up or down. अगर आपको कुछ और आंसर आ रहा है, इसका मतलब आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हो, क्योंकि दो डायरेक्शंस ऑलरेडी हैव बीन यूज्ड अप. सिर्फ एक ही डायरेक्शन या एक सेट ऑफ डायरेक्शन इज लेफ्ट. सॉरी. नाउ लेट्स फाइंड आउट द फोर्स की डायरेक्शन. ओके, लेट मी मेक माई हैंड. आई हैड टोल्ड यू दिस फिंगर, दिस इज नॉट माई हैंड. दिस फिंगर इज फॉर magnetic field, the central finger is for current, and the thumb shows where the wire will go, the force. Okay, I am making my hand like this. Is there something wrong that I am doing? No. Yes, my hand has to be left hand. So please be very careful about deciding your hand. Recheck it twice. Left hand, left hand, left hand. Okay, how do we make our hand? We make a gun, or first thumb, then finger straight, and then the central finger towards east. Okay, this becomes our hand. Now we'll align it according to this. I'll keep standing here. The current is towards north. करंट ये है, यहाँ से शुरू होके यहाँ पे जाता है हमेशा, नकल से शुरू होके नेल तक जाता है, तो इट हैज़ टू गो लाइक दिस, इट हैज़ टू गो लाइक दिस. सो वेयर शुड आई पुट माई फिंगर लाइक दिस? तोड़ के नहीं रखनी है, हैंड को ट्विस्ट करना है. अब देखो ये क्या नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, करंट जा रहा है. अगर आपको वैसे तो दिख नहीं रहा होगा, मगर ये करंट is going towards north. What about magnetic field? Magnetic field हमने रखा है towards geographic west. सारी आंसर्स जो कैलकुलेट करने geographic के हिसाब से करने. Now where is it going? It's starting from here and going to here. So it's going towards west. Fine. Current is going north. Field is going towards west. So where is the force being applied? Force ऊपर की तरफ. Force ऊपर की तरफ means vertically up. That means what? The wire will go vertically up. अगर उसको जाने को मिलेगा, if somebody is not stopping it, then it will go. It will have a force upwards. ओके, प्लीज़ रिमेंबर यहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ जोग्राफिक डायरेक्शंस लिखनी होती हैं और दूसरी डायरेक्शंस नहीं लिखनी होती. और 3 सेट ही होता है, ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ एंड वर्टिकली अप एंड वर्टिकली डाउन. ओके, सो लेट्स डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन. What is the question? Okay. A wire carrying current is moved by a child. Will it produce any magnetic field? Oral question, okay. A wire carrying current is moved by a child. Will it create any magnetic field? Okay, let's think. Input क्या है? A wire carrying current. उन्होंने हमें क्या दिया? Current है. So input becomes current. Is moved by a child. Moved means motion, which means force. तो एक और input आ गया force. Will it create? मतलब हमें क्या बताना है? What field will it create? कौन सा फील्ड बनाएगा? दैट मीन्स आउटपुट इज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. नाउ इज इट अ मोटर प्रिंसिपल क्वेश्चन? नो. व्हाई? बिकॉज मोटर प्रिंसिपल में हमें इनपुट में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड और करंट चाहिए होता है. यहाँ इनपुट में कुछ और है. ठीक है, सो बी वेरी केयरफुल कि इनपुट में क्या दिया है एंड व्हाट आर दे asking for. Okay, now let's take a real question. This was just to let this dry. Okay, now okay, so I have 2 magnets like this. They are hanging and the wire is like this and the battery is connected like this. Okay, and you have to find what principle is being used and where will the wire move, if at all. Let's confirm, is it motor principle or no. Input current and field. Let's check. Current तो हो गई, battery है और wire है, so the current will go from here and here. करंट तो है. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, 2 मैग्नेट्स हैं, एक इधर एक इधर, वायर के, तो फील्ड तो हो गई. अपने फील्ड्स भी होंगे और एक्सटर्नल फील्ड भी होगा. एक्सटर्नल फील्ड के लिए हमें कौन कौन से लेना है? वायर के पास वाला और वायर के पास वाला. So these two poles you will consider for magnetic field. Okay, next, now start writing current की direction, field की direction and force की direction. I hope you can see this lower part. Okay, I'm standing with you and this is the diagram. Again, yeah, like normal, we'll make our left hand like this, like a gun. When you start making it, keep the thumb up, keep the first finger towards north and middle finger towards east. When you start like this. I'll write this also. Keep the thumb up. Oh, what is the spelling of thumb? Keep the first finger towards to north and keep this middle finger to east. When you start, it's nice to start like this, but I prefer to do it like this. So when I start, my gun is ready. Okay. Now where is the magnetic field going? Magnetic field कहाँ से कहाँ जाती है? North pole of magnet. Magnet का north pole से magnet के south pole तक. So at least we can write magnetic north to magnetic south. Okay, it's going from here to here and there will be more lines like this. अभी कहाँ जा रही हैं? They are going in the, they are hanging, right? They are hanging, so the field will be going like this. Oh, I didn't write the question. Magnet are hanging and wire is on table. So the magnets, because there is one magnet here and one magnet here, and it has to go from lower magnet to the upper magnet, lower north to upper south. So the lines are going like this, starting from here and going there. So कहाँ जा रही हैं? They are going vertical up. North, magnetic north से start हुआ, magnetic south तक. So their geographic direction becomes vertically up. So this is not what we are concerned about. We want the geographic direction which is vertically up. Okay, one thing we have found. Now what about the current? Current is found from the okay, first abhi, where is the current flowing? Like this, because of the battery. Now in the wire और ये जो कंडक्टर जो भी है ये, इसके अंदर करंट कैसे जा रहा है? इसमें करंट ऐसे जाएगा तो इट विल गो लाइक दिस. दैट मीन्स इट्स गोइंग दिस साइड. It's going this side, and what is this side? This side is east. So we can easily say the current is going like this and it is east, towards east. Now we have found out both the directions. Now we'll find out the force. Okay, let's see what all have we used up. East west use हो गया. East हो गया मतलब west भी हो गया use. Vertically up और vertically down भी हो गया. ये वाला set खत्म. East west used up. This used up vertically. Now what set is left of directions? North and south. The front and the back, or north and south, are left. So your force has to be in front or back, north or south. Okay, now let's calculate the force. This is my hand. This is how I have adjusted it according to these rules. Okay, I'll give you some time to make your hand properly. I have made my hand. Okay, let's start. The current is towards east. So this is my current. This was my current, middle finger, and I made it going towards east. I hope you can see it's going towards this. Okay, now where is the magnetic field? It's toward, it's vertically up. But so my finger is not correct. This finger is not going up right now. So we'll twist our hand, we'll not move the fingers. We'll twist our hand and check again. This is the current going east, so that is still fine. This is the magnetic field which is going up. That's what you wanted, vertically up. So this will give us force. The thumb will give us force. अभी कहाँ जा रहा है? ये साइड है, एक ये साइड है. यहाँ पे जा रहा है. ये कौन सा हो गया? South. It's starting from north and ending in south. So you will say that the force is towards geographic south. So the wire, ये जो भी wire है, it will move towards you, towards my back. Okay, so that's it. We had to find the direction of force applied on the wire. Hope आया होगा समझ. I'll not make the video long. Thank you.